Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: account access, console credentials, and the app or service name. Begin by signing into the platform dashboard where the integration lives. Once logged in, go straight to the Developer or API section. Do not detour through general settings. Look for sections labeled OAuth, API keys, or applications. You're starting the exact flow that surfaces the client ID. If there's a search bar, type the app name to speed things up and select the matching entry. You'll now drill into the selected application's configuration. Open the OAuth client or application detail page and scan for fields titled Client ID, Application ID, or Client Key. Platforms vary in labels. Make sure you expand any collapsed sections. Sometimes credentials are under advanced settings. If the value is obscured, use the show or reveal control or export/download the credentials JSON. Note the client ID exactly. Copy it to a secure clipboard or file. You're at the finish line. Paste the client ID into your application config or environment variable and restart the service if required. Then perform a simple API call or initiate an OAuth authorization to verify successful recognition. If the request fails, inspect error messages and ensure redirect URIs, scopes, and app status match expectations. One key troubleshooting tip: if auth returns mismatched redirect errors, recheck the exact URI strings and trailing slashes. Correcting that often resolves failures immediately.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.